Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here today for the June edition for Premade2Handmade collaboration. This is a collaboration that I am hosting. This is a year-long collaboration and we come on every second Tuesday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we come on and we share with you guys projects that we create using pre-made items from our crafty stash. So this is a very unique and different collaboration. It's a way to get you to think outside of the box. And what I mean by pre-made, you can use just about anything. You can use wrapping paper, gift bags, napkins, stickers, anything that is pre-made and you want to put your own spin on it. So let me share with you the pre-made item in my stash that I used. So as you can see, I use these chalk labels and I wanted to create some summer themed embellishments. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. Before I share my embellishments, I didn't use a whole lot of product. I basically pulled a lot of stickers from my stash and I used that. And let me share with you the other items that I used. I pulled out this die set right here by Tim Holtz Sizzix, and it is a set of 25 dies. And it's just basically where you build up this rectangle with layers. And so I used one of the smaller rectangles in this die set. I pulled out this paper by Authentique and I used this pattern paper right here. And then I thought this was really fun. I had this in my stash. This is moss sheet. And I believe I got this from Dollar Tree years ago. And it has this look of grass to me. Here are the set of embellishments that I created using those chalk labels. Also, I got those chalk labels from the Dollar Tree. All right, so here is the first one right here. Isn't this cute, you guys? It says barbecue pig out. Isn't that cute? And look at the moss. It looks like grass. I thought that was so cute. I had this little ladybug sticker, this watermelon sticker, and I had this sticker in my stash. I think I got that from Dollar General some time ago. And then I had these cute little pinwheels here, stickers from my stash. So I love to use these doilies because it's really quick and you can basically just fold it over your set of embellishments and use this as a little clip. And that would be a cute little gift set for your crafty friends. So this is the first one that I created. Let me share with you the next one. And here is number 2. I really love this one. So this one has that moss. I had some stickers in my stash of this picnic basket. I had this in my stash, summertime. And then I thought it would be cute to put the hot dog up there. It also has a ladybug at the top of the picnic basket. Isn't that cute? And a fun way to package up some cute embellishments. So this is chalkboard label number 2. And here is chalkboard label number 3. Look how fun that is. So I love these stickers from my stash of the cute little ant with the googly eyes holding up the watermelon. And then I had this Bum Pop right here sticker, and it actually came from this pack. You can see it there. And then I had these stickers in my stash, summer with the sun, wearing the sunglasses. And I thought that was another really cute chalkboard label embellishment. And let me share with you the last one. And here is the last one right here. Isn't this cute, you guys? I had these set of stickers in my stash. It says hello summer, and then the on the beach here with the little cot and the umbrella. Isn't that cute? The starfish. So I think this one turned out really cute as well. And that is my share for you guys today. Make sure you check out the other ladies in this collaboration. I will leave links to their YouTube channels down in the description box below. So make sure you go there and visit. Also, I have a playlist for this collaboration. So if you have missed some of the videos, you can get caught up by visiting that playlist and play along. I have a hashtag for this collaboration. It is hashtag Premade2Handmade 2026. So look around in your stash for pre-made items and make it into something unique, fun, and crafty. That's my share for you guys today. Make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.